วกเรา3คนนะครับสวัสดีครับวันนี้พวกเรา3คนนะครับจะมาอย่างแรกก่อนวันนี้เราอยู่กันที่ Monster Hub นะครับอโศกนะครับมากันแต่เช้าเลยโอเคอันนี้คุณโรเบิร์ตนะครับอันนี้คุณบ๊อบและผมเควินนะฮะเราจะมาคุยกันเรื่องคลาสที่เราออฟเฟอร์ในกรุงเทพนี่เลยครับเป็นคอร์ส Mastermind นะครับตรงมาจากคุณโทนี่คุณดีนเลยนะครับเดี๋ยวเราให้คุณบ๊อบแนะนำนิดหนึ่งก็ให้บ๊อบ
Okay. Yeah, we started this mastermind, and what we're doing here, we're teaching people how to make their business better, and how to raise their level of play in their own business. And then as we introduce the mastermind, we're going to go over the table and show you how we're organizing it and everything, how we're starting this mastermind, and helping other businesses, owners to come and get information from us. And we're offering them all our tools with Builderall and other tools that we use to help them build their businesses. And there's two ways that they can benefit. They can come to the mastermind and get their business doing better, use the Builderall tools in their business, or pay us to do agency work for them. So if they don't have time, or they don't have the know-how, and they don't want to learn how to do funnels, they don't want to learn how to do Facebook ads, they don't want to learn how to do a magazine, we can do that for them. So by doing it this way, they can learn a lot of things in the mastermind about how to think straighter, plan better.
Can you explain a little more about Mastermind? Like, what is it like? The content of a Mastermind? What people
Well, that's
get?
what we're going to go over here in a minute on the table. We're going over the different things. Part of it is what do you do best?
Right. We want to try to get organized on how to present the mastermind, and we want to show you how it's done. And so I think that's
The 4 quadrants. We're using a class that we, you could go on YouTube and find a lot of information, but we're using some of the information that we've researched and we spent a month looking at to share it with other business owners that don't have time to do this kind of stuff. And we bring like what we've done for 2 months, 3 months, and bring it all into one day and share it to these people and get them to think, okay, what do I need to cut out? What in my schedule am I wasting my time? What do I need to put in my schedule? How do I need to change my thinking on this? How to get organized? Basic business principles, and we highlight the things that we've learned, and we pass it on in a one-day seminar or mastermind is what we call it. And we want to show you some of the things that we're doing to get organized on that.
right. It's about playing to your strengths. There's things that Bobby's learned in life and in business that he can present better. There's some from my experience and Kevin's overlay, and we just want to show you how we interact to do that.
Okay. Can't wait to see how. Let's get to it.
Okay.